We're in 2 Kings 16, and King Ahaz is an evil king in Judah. Instead of turning to the Lord for help, he takes the gold and silver from the house of the Lord and pays off the king of Assyria to send his army to help. While the king of Judah was in Damascus, he sees an altar. He decides it's superior to the one he has and orders a direct replica be made. He gives precise directions, as the Lord had done for his altar. The priest obliges and follows the king's command to offer all the sacrifices on this new altar. The Lord's altar is removed from its position to make way for the new one. The old one is kept, though. It's put off to the side. Ahaz wants to keep it to inquire at it. I guess this is what we call Jesus and. You don't get to put God off to the side and take on whatever else you decide looks good. You don't get to keep God around for when you deem him useful. That's like the Israelites expecting God to go into battle with them when he had told them not to go. It wasn't going to happen. God's not to be used. You don't get to use him at your whim. What does this look like today? The altar was the place of offering and sacrifice. What offerings and sacrifices do you make? Are you offering sacrifices of praise and thanksgiving, and time and money and energy to the Lord? Or are you directing your praise and thanks somewhere else? What do you praise? Is it a musician or a movie? Or is it God? What are you thankful for? Is it your success at work, your friends, coffee? Or is the living God who gave you all these things? What do you give your time, money, and energy to? Do you do everything to the glory of the one who made you? Or do you give your efforts for your own success, entertainment, comfort, and that of your family?